How to judge distance while parking. Estimating distance accurately is essential for safe and precise parking. Here's how you can do it while reversing or parking beside a curb. Step 1. Reversing with a curb behind. While reversing, keep an eye on the front door handle through the side mirror. As soon as the door handle lines up with the curb, gently apply the brakes. At this point, your car is approximately 30 centimeters away from the curb, a safe stopping distance. Step 2. Parking parallel to the roadside. To park neatly along the side of the road, use this simple method. 1. Start by identifying the center point of your vehicle. 2. Turn your steering wheel 90 degrees to the right and move forward slowly. 3. Once the center point of your vehicle aligns with the curb, stop. 4. Now, turn the steering wheel 90 degrees to the left and continue moving forward. You'll be about 30 centimeters away from the curb, ideally positioned.